case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Minnesota Supreme Court case of Gray v. Badger Mining Corp. in 2004 presented an important legal dilemma. To what extent does a supplier need to warn end users of potential risks associated with the use of its product? At the heart of the dispute was Lawrence B. Gray, an employee of Smith Foundry, whose health suffered due to exposure to silica dust. Badger Mining, the supplier of the silica sand used at the foundry, found itself under fire for the role it played in Gray's condition. Gray lodged a lawsuit against the company, alleging negligence, failure to warn, and breach of warranties. Badger Mining's defense hinged upon the claim that it had no obligation to warn Gray of the potential risks, given that his employer, Smith Foundry, was a sophisticated purchaser with a full understanding of the product. However, the nuances of the case soon came to light. Gray's attorneys presented compelling evidence demonstrating that Badger Mining was aware of the dangers linked to their product. Yet it was the absence of specific safety instructions in their Material Safety Data Sheets, MSDS, particularly about the inadequacy of disposable respirators, that raised eyebrows. The district court initially ruled against issuing a summary judgment in favor of Badger Mining. The court found there to be substantial discrepancies in Badger Mining's provided warnings and their acknowledged hazards. An appeal followed this initial decision, which was eventually overturned on the grounds that the case contained genuine issues of material fact regarding the company's duty to warn and the adequacy of its warning. Ultimately, the district court's original judgment came into effect once more, consolidating the view that a product supplier still bears the responsibility to provide adequate warning, even to an intermediate sophisticated purchaser. This landmark ruling set a precedent for similar future cases, emphasizing that the onus of informing customers of potential hazards falls squarely on the shoulders of the product suppliers.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of climb.